Look at this banner. Well, I can predict the first thing you have noticed in this poster. It is red umbrella. Well, this is because of contrast. So hey everyone, this is Shalab and welcome to the episode 3 of Design Principle series, and in today's video we are going to talk about contrast. So imagine you are driving on a highway and you see this billboard. Will you able to read the text written on this red background? No, right? Now look at this. Only a small change of color of text. Now you are able to read it properly, right? So this is contrast. So contrast is basically used to grab attention of our users and to make one thing stand out. So contrast user को guide करता है कि उसे सबसे पहले कहाँ देखना है and what's the main thing that we want user to see first. We have different ways to show contrast in our design. For example, look at my screen. So there are different ways by which you can use contrast in our design. For example, contrast by size. For example, look at this poster. Here designer uses the large man image to show contrast in the poster. Then we have that Ant-Man poster where user uses the background size, background person is bigger in size to show that the Ant-Man is small in size. Then this poster. Similarly, we have contrast using color, which is most common in the design. Here we uses colors to show the contrast. For example, look at these posters. Then we have contrast using typography. So if we want to focus users on one thing that we want कि user सबसे पहले उसको पढ़े, तो हम I will make the text bold and increase the size of the font to emphasize that text to users. Then we have contrast using shapes. So we use different shapes that resembles with the real life element to show contrast or focus something on our design. For example, see this night, dark night. So dark night poster. Here uses the image of a bat. So dark night means रात का राजा. तो रात में basically चमगादड़ एक्टिव होते हैं. तो यहाँ पे यूजर पे डिजाइनर शो करना चाहता है कि that user that we are talking something about the night or the nightmare for you. Go to your favorite app and look at the design carefully and know that where the designer used contrast and drop in the comments. So episode 4 will be about the proximity, which is the most important in design. So don't miss this and we'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.